The Regional Cancer Centre at Neigrihms in Shillong has commenced operations offering advanced cancer treatment. Dr. Nalin Mehta, Director of Neigrihms, announced that the first floor of the 252-bedded facility is operational with state-of-the-art equipment and trained staff. The full centre will soon provide comprehensive care for cancer patients in Meghalaya.
Cancer Center, which is a 252-bedded facility. The lower floors are already fully functional. For example, state-of-art radiotherapy equipment we have, the LINAC, linear accelerator, and we are functioning optimally and well from that facility. We also have equipment in place. Some of them are being tested before they are operationalized, and OTs have also been completed, so they have to be handed over. A few technical details are being sorted out. We are also in the process of recruitment of faculty members, technicians, and attendants, nurses, etc. So we are operationalizing it in a phase-wise manner until such time that the entire cancer care moves to the Regional Cancer Center, which is of course within our own campus. The main hospital is catering very, very optimally and comprehensively to the management of cancer cases.
In Umran Dairy Village, Rebhoi district,